This is where thousands of journeys begin, and sometimes, unexpected meetings happen. I just needed one simple ticket, but I couldn't even read the screen. Everything felt unfamiliar, like I was completely lost. But in the middle of that chaos, someone noticed me. I asked her for help, not knowing she barely spoke English. She smiled and said something I didn't fully understand, but her gesture said everything I needed to know. For the first time, I saw where I needed to go. And then, she taught me something simple, but important. I tried to repeat it, not perfectly, but with effort. And in that moment, language didn't matter anymore. She wished me a good journey and walked away. But I wasn't lost any. Sometimes, a stranger's kindness can guide your entire journey. Keep watching Learn Chinese with Abdul.